A very warm welcome to all of you in week 11 of the beginner series. If you have come this far, then it's not just progress, it is your commitment. तो इस week हम 30 minute advanced strength workout करेंगे, but we will continue using 2 kg dumbbells. However, you can always pick the weights that suits your capacity and comfort. As in week 9, this workout also has 2 sets with each set targeting upper body, lower body and core. So just follow me along and let's begin with the warm-up. Alright, तो सबसे पहले alternate arm को हम swing करके ऊपर लेके जाएंगे और एक arm को नीचे लेके आएंगे. And repeat. Even a basic move like this preps your body like a pro. जब shoulders open होते हैं, body freely flow करती है. Because this move loosens up tight shoulders and releases tension from sitting or screen time. A mini rescue for desk-bound bodies. Now spread both the arms parallel to the floor with the palms below and we will do the arm pulses. शुरू में लगता है बस इतना ही, बट कुछ देर के बाद आपको लगेगा कि 30 seconds कब होंगे. Holding your arms out and pulsing them gives that slow controlled burn that builds shoulder strength, tones arms and improves posture. अब आर्म्स को नमस्ते पोजीशन में रख लीजिए और इसी पोजीशन में रहते हुए हमें दोनों आर्म्स को पीछे लेके जाना है और साथ साथ ऑल्टरनेट लेग को हिप्स के पास लेके जाएंगे. This move is like hitting the refresh button for your body. Upper body opens up like a yawn and legs get moving like you are dancing in your room, making it an ideal warm-up for full body strength workouts. अब हमें ऑल्टरनेट लेग को रेज करना है और ऑपोजिट हैंड के साथ टो को टैप करना है. ऑल्टरनेट हैंड और लेग मूवमेंट आपके कोर को एंगेज करता है और बॉडी को वर्कआउट के लिए मेंटली और फिजिकली प्रिपेयर करता है. इट हेल्प्स इंप्रूव फॉर्म एंड फोकस इन स्ट्रेंथ एक्सरसाइजेस लाइक स्क्वाट्स और प्रेसेस. Now let's go to side of the mat. अब alternate leg के साथ हम forward lunge करेंगे और साथ साथ में side bend करेंगे. जब आप lunge के साथ side bend add करते हो, आप अपने obliques, lats और spine को stretch करते हो. ये move legs के साथ core को activate करता है और upper body को ज़्यादा mobile बनाता है. Perfect for lifting. Now let's maintain some distance between both the legs and we will do squat. और ऊपर आके we will do the toe raises. Squat 2 toe raises is such a powerful warm-up move. It preps your lower body and balance system at once. It helps blood flow to the right muscles so you feel strong and ready. Now we will do side steps with the alternate leg and in parallel we will take both the arms overhead. And repeat. Step jacks are one of the best no-jump warm-up cardio moves, ideal for beginners or anyone looking for joint-friendly activation. जब आप हैंड्स ओवरहेड लेकर जाते हैं और लेग्स ऑल्टरनेट स्टेप करते हैं, यू आर क्रिएटिंग अ रिदमिक फुल बॉडी फ्लो व्हिच मेक्स इट परफेक्ट टू एक्टिवेट द होल बॉडी. Great, warm-up is complete. We will do the main workout now. Have a sip of water and keep yourself hydrated. Now hold both the dumbbells by your side and we will take the dumbbells to the shoulder height with the palms inside. अब दोनों dumbbells को एक साथ हमें घुमाते हुए ऊपर लेके जाना है and the palms will be facing outwards और slowly धीरे से घुमाते हुए वापस shoulder height पर लेके आना है. And repeat. Keep the back straight and make sure to engage your core. Do you want to know the real secret to staying consistent with the workouts? Just enjoy every moment and keep that smile on. That's what this channel is all about. Being happy and healthy. Now again, let's keep the dumbbells by our side and we will bend our upper body at 45 degree. और अब दोनों डंबल्स को एक साथ हमें एल्बो को बेंड करके शोल्डर हाइट पर लेके जाना है. Slowly, we will bring it down and repeat. Make sure to keep the spine straight and core engaged. Even with light dumbbells, इस एक्सरसाइज का बर्न रियल फील होता है. अगर आप लॉन्ग आवर्स स्क्रीन के सामने स्पेंड करते हो तो ये मूव आपके अपर बैक को अनलॉक करने में हेल्प करता है. बेंट ओवर लेटरल रेजेस से आपके पोस्चर मसल्स स्ट्रॉन्ग बनते हैं, स्पेशली दोज दैट सपोर्ट योर स्पाइन एंड कीप योर शोल्डर्स स्क्वायर. Now we will need just one dumbbell. अब opposite leg को हम पीछे raise करेंगे और upper body को bend करके we will take the dumbbell down along the leg, come up and repeat. After 20 seconds, we will switch the side. Keep your back neutral, hinge at hips and engage your core to maintain the balance. And move slowly for better control and form. The single leg deadlift is a total game changer for building balance, glute strength and core control. Especially useful for beginners learning to stabilize their bodies before lifting heavier. Now we will take both the dumbbells to the shoulders with the elbows slightly in front and then keeping the dumbbells here and maintaining a slight distance between the legs, we will do the squat. Like this. Keep the spine neutral, knees aligned with the toes and push through the heels while standing up. The dumbbell front squat is a must-have in any strength workout. It's foundational, functional and totally beginner-friendly when done with the right form. Front load होने की वजह से आपकी body naturally upright रहती है और इसलिए unlike normal squats, ये version lower back पर stress नहीं डालता. Now let's go to side of the mat. और अब हम बेंड करके डंबल्स को नीचे फ्लोर पर रखेंगे. We will take a step back, come in a high plank position, hold it for 1 to 2 seconds, then again take a step forward, come back to the standing position and repeat. Make sure to keep dumbbells stable while stepping back and stepping forward. Also maintain a strong core in high plank and move at your own pace with a focus on form and breath. Holding dumbbells improves grip strength and helps keep your back straighter during the move. इस एक्सरसाइज के वर्जन में we get both cardio and strength benefits. अब ऑल्टरनेट लेग के साथ हम रिवर्स लंज करेंगे. एक लेग को पीछे ले जाकर रिवर्स लंज करेंगे और फिर सेम लेग को आगे लाकर चेस्ट के पास लेके आएंगे. सिमिलरली विद द अदर लेग एंड रिपीट. मूव विद कंट्रोल, डोंट वॉबल एंड ट्राई टू स्टेबलाइज. रिवर्स लंजेस प्लस नी ड्राइव is a powerhouse move. It builds leg strength, balance and explosive control all in one. इस exercise में each rep trains your focus, core and stabilizers. And that knee drive, it's not just a lift, it's a control test. Now we will go in the high plank position with the arms below the shoulders. और अब alternately हम एक hand के साथ हम opposite shoulder को tap करेंगे. Like this. Keep your body stable and spine straight. Keep your body stable throughout the exercise. Every tap trains your core muscles to stay steady even with the movement. It is balance plus strength wrapped in one quiet challenge. Perfect for days जब आप gentle पर powerful movement चाहते हो, especially for busy minds that need calm and control. Now let's sit on the mat with the knees bent and upper body slightly leaning back. We will hold one dumbbell in the center और अब alternately हमें torso को twist करके dumbbell को side पर लेके जाना है. The Russian twist with weights is a core sculpting superstar. And when done right, it's an absolute burner for your obliques, abs and spine stability. Even with a small weight, अगर आप core engage करके twist करते हो, the burn feels real and rewarding. This move also trains your spine to be strong in motion and not just stiff and straight. Now lie down on the mat with the knees bent and 1 or 2 dumbbells as per your comfort on the lower abs, and then पैरों को press करके we will raise the hips and hold this position this way. Glute bridge hold with weights is the ultimate low impact glute and core strength builder. Now with that extra intensity. Long sitting means inactive glutes. This exercise helps reactivate and rewire them for better movement and posture. Plus, it strengthens the lower back and pelvic stability. Now we will need just one dumbbell. Keep your knees bent. और एक डंबल को हम पैरों में स्टक कर लेंगे like this. और फिर अपर लेग को स्टेबल रखते हुए हमें लोअर लेग के साथ लेग रेजेस करने हैं. जितना कंफर्टेबली आप ऊपर लेकर जा सकते हैं उतना ही कीजिए. Weighted leg raises is a powerhouse move for lower abs and hip flexors, and adding weights takes the challenge up a notch while still keeping it controlled and beginner friendly if done right. ये exactly उस tough lower ab area को target करता है जहाँ fat सबसे stubborn होता है. जितना slow करेंगे उतना burn होगा और उतना ही better. Great work. Set 1 is complete. Have some water. Let's take some rest and then we will start with set 2. Now let's hold both the dumbbells by our sides with the palms facing outwards. अब हम upper arm को stable रखेंगे और lower arm को curl करके dumbbell को ऊपर लेके आएंगे. Slowly bring it down and repeat. Make sure to keep the back straight. Do not bend the wrist and don't swing the arms. Rotating bicep curls is a fantastic isolation move that does full bicep activation when done with control. It's a sculpt and strengthen classic. इस मूव में सिर्फ डंबल्स उठाना नहीं but slowly lower करना भी equally important होता है for toning. Now we will go to side of the mat और अब हम walk करेंगे mat पर with 3 steps ahead in forward lunge and 3 steps backward in reverse lunge. Keep your chest lifted and core tight. Make sure to step long enough to protect knees and focus on smooth transition between the steps. Lunge walk is a powerful functional strength move that trains your entire lower body, and it's especially effective when paired with weights for progressive overload. Great. Now keep dumbbells in the middle with around 3 to 4 feet of distance between the legs. और अब हम squat करेंगे. And while in squat position, we will do 3 pulses. 1, 2, 3. Come up and repeat. Keep the spine straight, core engaged, and keep knees in line with the toes. Sumo squat plus 3 pulses is a killer combo move for the inner thighs, glutes and quads. Plus those tiny pulses activate slow twitch muscle fibers जो muscle tone और control के लिए key होते हैं. Now we will stay in the same position with the dumbbells in the middle. और अब हमें hips को पीछे bend करके dumbbells को पीछे लेके जाना है और फिर strength के साथ उसे ऊपर shoulder height पर लेके आना है. Slowly bring it down and repeat. ध्यान रखना है कि हिप से हिंज करना है, नीज से नहीं। Keep the back straight, core engaged and use glutes to power the swing. इस मूव में थोड़ी स्पीड होती है पर कंट्रोल और ब्रेथ उसे बैलेंस करता है। So we can say explosive but controlled is the key to make swings effective and safe.
Alright, we will keep dumbbells by our side. अब एक लेग को आगे लेके जाएंगे और दूसरे लेग के टो पर खड़े होना है और इसी पोजीशन में रहते हुए we will do the squat.
After 20 seconds, we will switch the side. Keep the chest tall, core tight and lower straight down. आगे नहीं. Front foot को flat रखना है और heels से press करना है. Split squat, also known as stationary lunge, is one of the most powerful unilateral leg moves for strength, balance and control. Split squats ensure that both legs get equal attention, improving symmetry and reducing injury risk.
Now keep both the dumbbells aside and we will lie down on stomach और दोनों hands को up head के पीछे ले जाइए। अब एक साथ हमें chest और legs को raise करना है। We will hold for 2 to 3 seconds, slowly come down and repeat.
Back extensions is the unsung hero of strength training, especially important for posture correction, spine support and lower back strength. This move is quite crucial for building a resilient core from the back side. Front के core के लिए crunches होते हैं और back के core के लिए this is a must-have move.
Now hold both the dumbbells and lie down on back with the knees bent. And hold both the dumbbells over the chest. अब दोनों dumbbells को एक साथ हम elbow को bend करके side पर लेके जाएंगे and then bring it back in the center and repeat. आप knees को raise करके legs को stuck भी कर सकते हैं.
Chest fly is a classic and super effective isolation move that targets the chest muscles with a focus on stretch, control and contraction. Form सही रखना is the key to safe and effective chest isolation. जब आप arms open करते हो, chest stretch होता है और जब close करते हो, वही contraction muscle tone करता है.
Now let's keep one dumbbell aside and we will stuck one dumbbell between our feet. We will keep the knees bent और अब हमें knees को chest के पास लेके आना है. Slowly bring it down without touching. Repeat.
Dumbbell knee tucks, a killer core move that targets your lower abs, hip flexors and total core control. Knee tucks लोअर बेली जोन पे डायरेक्ट काम करते हैं, स्पेशली जब डंबल से रेजिस्टेंस ऐड होता है. Even a 2 to 3 kg dumbbell takes this from easy to intense, but only if you keep your form right and breath steady.
Now we will sit on the mat on the knees and take one dumbbell behind. और अब अपर आर्म को स्टेबल रखते हुए हमें डंबल को रेज करना है और नीचे लेके आना है. Like this.
Make sure to keep the back straight, not flare elbows too wide, and do not jerk the weight. Triceps extension is a go-to move for sculpting the back of the arms. जितना स्लो आप आर्म्स एक्सटेंड करेंगे उतना ज़्यादा टाइम अंडर टेंशन और उतना ही टाइटनिंग इफेक्ट होगा.
Now hold both the dumbbells in your hands and we will go in the high plank position with the arms below the shoulders and body stable, and we have to hold this position.
High plank hold with dumbbells is a total body strength and stability move. A core engagement master and a great way to finish your weighted workout with focus and control. Holding dumbbells improves wrist comfort and grip strength, making this a next level plank.
All right. Now we will
Cool down and relax our muscles. अब एक आर्म को पीछे ले जाकर बेंड करेंगे और दूसरे हैंड के साथ एल्बो को पीछे पुश करेंगे. आफ्टर 15 seconds we will switch the side. During our workout, especially in overhead presses, curls and plank holds, our triceps stayed engaged. This stretch allows them to lengthen, decompress and relax. अब दोनों हैंड्स को हेड के पीछे ले जाइए. अब एक बार हम चेस्ट को स्ट्रेच करेंगे और एक बार स्पाइन को आर्च करेंगे. After an advanced strength workout, the chest and spine are often left tight, compressed or restricted. This stretch helps unfold and open, bringing the body back to a space of ease. अब अपर बॉडी को बेंड करके नीचे लेके जाएंगे और दोनों आर्म्स को एल्बोस के साथ पकड़ेंगे. As your body folds forward, your focus turns inward. This is the part of the cool down where we slow down, not just in body but also in mind. Now we will sit on the mat with the crossed legs. अब हम टॉर्सो को एक साइड पर ट्विस्ट करेंगे and use one hand behind for the support. After 15 seconds, we will switch the side. Strength workouts often tighten the core and lower back, and this stretch brings rotation and balance back into our spine. Each inhale gives our spine length, and each exhale helps us let go a little more. This is the perfect way to end our session with inner calm and outer alignment.
Now lie with the face down on the mat. अब एक लेग के टो को पकड़ के हमें हिप्स के पास लेके आना है.
Strong quads need equal care post-workout. This stretch gently releases tension built up in the quads after lower body training. This is your moment to pause, acknowledge your effort, and let the muscles absorb the benefits of this workout.
अब दोनों एल्बोज को मैट पर रखेंगे और जोर लगा के हमें चेस्ट को स्ट्रेच करना है.
Low Cobra brings gentle back bend energy, helping the spine rebalance after forward folds and planks. And before you sink into final stillness, Cobra reminds your body to rise one last time, lightly and softly.
अब दोनों पैरों के टोज को जॉइन करेंगे, दोनों आर्म्स को एक्सटेंड करेंगे एंड वी विल टच द फोरहेड ऑन द मैट.
This is the final pose. Just relax your body and let everything settle. I would love to hear from you in the comments about how this series has made a difference in your life and helped you feel better. Have a wonderful day and keep smiling.
Awesome work.